Road hazards and potholes are a major headache, but Mesa County's Road Problem Reporter makes fixing them simple. Ever wonder which agency maintains the road under your tires? Here's a quick trick. Green street signs mean Mesa County. Blue street signs mean the city of Grand Junction. Major corridors like I-70B, North Avenue, Broadway, and Highway 50 on Orchard Mesa are maintained by CDOT. Not sure? No problem. The online portal instantly identifies whether a road is city, state, or county, and guides you on where to report it. If it's a county road, easy-to-use navigation lets you report potholes, drainage hazards, traffic issues, and more in seconds. The Mesa County Road and Bridge Department takes your reports seriously and works to complete repairs as quickly as possible. As our teams work to improve your commute, we need your help keeping everyone safe. Whenever you approach a work zone, please slow down, stay alert, and follow posted signs. Your caution protects our crew members and keeps our roads safe for everyone. Have an issue to report? Visit mesacounty.us and click on Resident Resources.